Back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to get your Payoneer virtual card. First, note that to create a card, you need at least $100 in your Payoneer account within the last 6 months. If you don't have this, I recommend transferring some funds into your account first. Also, if you haven't created a Payoneer account yet, check the link in the description to register and get $25 for free after signing up. Now, log into your Payoneer account and go to your dashboard. Choose the account you want the card linked to, for example, a US dollar account, and click Order Card. Next, select Virtual Card. You can also choose a physical card if you prefer, and click Next. Choose your card currency, like US dollars, and then click Order Card. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation screen showing that your virtual card has been successfully ordered. And that's it. Your Payoneer virtual card is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.